Welcome this video. Pots for plants, a gas to create and sustainability. Gardening is not just about grow plants. It's a way to expose created recycled material and contribute to a sustainability living style. One of the simple way to elevate your gardening express is by make your pots for plants. Pots are cost effective, customizes and exact friend. This gas expel various material tranquil and idea to help you create beauty. Functional pots plant when plants pot cost effect short but pots can be affect size if you need multi pots. Well, you save money by the purple image. You also have eco friendly recycle material, wash and promote sustainability. Customization create pots that sub your gardening aesthetic size requesting and pots need fun and reward. Craft pots can be a relax and enjoyment appear for individual or family. Material you can use pots plants can be made for a wide range of material. Recycle often water or sold button by cut and decoration theme. Coffee can solved can be food, traditional or stored and various. Wood. Wood create a cup can be transforming into rustic plants, fiber and chemists. Convenient fiber with for demonic and unique textile pots, paper and cardboard. Layout paper or tranquil cardboard can created high weight pots, glass. Other glass tranquil are professed for smart plants or decoration set up. Natural material use count bamboo and hold out log for a natural look. Step by step pots idea. Natural material. Empty plants button. Salt and plants. Introducing clean and demo plants button. Cut the board in a hole or a decoration to cut the pots shape. Decoration. Decoration with pots make a sticker fit with salt and plants your garden. Pro type use the button top hard set up demo as a soft water plants by place it's in the button hard filled with water. Fiber pots. Material need convenient max long bowling fiber paste mix commit and water in a bowl to take consist. Remove the moment and your textile pot is ready for use. Allow it to demo and hard complete. Demo the fiber out into the mix unit full knocked. Add textile. The mix with power for a vibrant touch. Tanny can be pots. Material need empty tanny can. Hem farnet pours per half. Wash and during the tanny can tranquil. Pours the expanding interior with design. Pours or salt color add a board or other embellishment for a personal touch. Feed with salt and your choice plants. Group can in of very high for any ice catch agreements. Conclusion. Create your honor pots plants is a project that combines arts, sustainability, and keep whether you use recycled material, craft, design, or keep your simple pots often endless possibility. Not only do then enhance your gardening aesthetic, but then also make or publish empathy on the explained side. So, gardening your tool. Apply.